Yeah. Let's revise on the whiteboard.
question بس رجعت إنه عملت exercises أنا لحالي جد منيحة فيه.
Yes, bravo. You have to study just 2 rules in this question, just 2 rules.
The times to the right and the divide to the left.
Exactly. طيب, let's
Teacher?
revise.
Teacher,
Yes, Farah.
I sent you another file that was correct. Maybe you didn't.
I saw just one.
Oh.
Arij and Mustafa Madani entered.
Teacher,
Yes, yeah, Mustafa.
I didn't have internet connection. It's
Okay.
okay. I relate.
You can't watch this video, this Zoom period.
Sure.
Mustafa, I'm not hearing you. Mustafa,
Yes, teacher.
what did you say?
Teacher, I didn't have internet connection.
Okay, so you can't watch the video, the Zoom period.
Yes, I will watch it.
Type, okay. The recorded Zoom period. طيب, let's start. I will revise for you because most of the mistakes in this question, how do we multiply by 0.1 or divide by 0.01, for example, or multiply by 10, 100, 1000, or divided by 10, 100, or 1000. Yeah. Here, teacher, you have to study just 2 rules. Okay? Please pay attention and listen carefully. Just 2 rules, either multiply by 10 or divided by 10. يعني multiplied by 10, 100, 1000 أو divided by 10, 100 and 1000. Okay? Why? Because these two, the first two اللي هن when we see 0.1 أو 0.01 أو 0.001, what shall I do? I reverse the equation. يعني إذا كانت times بتصير divided by 10 وإذا كانت divide بتصير times either 10, 100 or 1000. Okay? So Hala and Mahdi entered.
Okay, teacher.
So times 0.1, it will be divided by 10. So we are talking now at this rule. Divided by 0.01, divide بتصير times, and this number will be what? 100 times 100. So we are talking in the first one. Yani simply we have to study just 2 rules, the first or the second. Multiply or divided by 10, 100, 1000. Why? Because when we see دايما decimal numbers اللي هن 0.1, 0.01 أو 0.001, what shall I do يا حسن حوراني when we see these 3 decimal numbers? Hassan Hurani?
Yes.
What shall I do?
First we put times 10 of 100 of 1000.
So we reverse the equation, ما هيك؟
Yes.
إذا كانت times بتصير what? Divide. وإذا كانت divide it will be what?
Times.
Times. 0.1 شو بتصير؟ 10 or 100 or 1000?
10.
0.01
100.
و 0.001
1000.
So now we are looking at these first 2 rules. So either we are dividing by 10 or multiplied by 10. Okay?
Okay.
So in order to multiply by 10, 100, 1000, to which side we will move the decimal point? Right or left?
Multiplying by 10, we
Yes.
move it
To the?
to the left.
Right. Right, ya Hassan, right. Multiplied by 10, multiplied by 100, multiplied by 1000, we move the decimal point to the right side. Dividing by 10, 100, 1000, we move it to which side now?
Left.
To the left.
Left side, backward. That's it. If we are dividing by a whole number, اللي هن 10, 100, 1000, we move it to the left side. If we are multiplying by whole numbers, اللي هن 10, 100, 1000, we move it to the right side. Just study these 2 rules. It's not hard. So you have to study just when we will move the decimal point to the right and when we will move the decimal point to the left. That's it. يعني if we have 19.78 divided by 10 or 19.78 times 10. What is the difference between them? In the first one, to which side will I move the point?
To the left.
left.
To the left, because we are dividing by 10. To the left side. Move it to the left side. Backward, how many digits?
1.
1.
One digit. So the
One.
answer will be 1.
1.178.
Exactly,
Teacher,
that's it.
Teacher,
If we
but you
are
told us one.
multiplying by 10, to which side we will move the point? Right side,
Number
one digit. So
197.8.
that's it. This is the difference between both. Is it clear?
Yes. Teacher, and when we have a decimal number like 1 or
Yes yes حوصل لعندها يا على الغرايب. لما يكون عندنا هلا 178 هلا it's not a decimal number, it's a whole number divided by a decimal number 0.1 or the same number multiplied by 0.01. هلا فرح شبلي.
Yes.
When we see decimal numbers, what shall I do? 0.1, 0.01. How do we do it mentally?
Yes. We move the point to the right side.
قبل ما احرك البوينت يا فرح، طب نحن اشتغلنا شغل كبير، دغري ما نحرك البوينت، شو لازم اعمل اول شيء؟
We put times.
We will reverse the equation. دايما الديفايد شو بتصير يا فرح؟ times. طيب وال 0.1
it becomes 10.
طيب put your hand now on the division because we are not looking at the divide, we are looking at the multiply. Multiplying by 10, so to which side we will move the point?
To the right side.
Right side, multiplied by 10 to the right side. طيب ما في عندنا home point، عندنا 178 times 10. How do we multiply them?
We put 178.0.
طيب 0.0, excellent. Then we move the point 1 digit to which side?
To the right.
So the answer will be
1,780.
exactly 1,780. Bravo. Or no need to put 0.0. 178 times 1 stays the same, then add 0 because we are multiplying by 10. We just add 0. It's a whole number. Okay?
Okay.
178 times 0.001. حلا نجم.
Yes.
يلا, how we will multiply it by 0.01?
The first thing we reverse the equation.
Bravo. Times will be
Divide.
0.01.
0 become 100.
We are dividing by 100. So to which side will I move the point?
To the left.
Left side. طيب. There is no point. Where should I put it and then move it to the left?
Yeah, I should put 0.178.
لا يا حلا. How do we
No,
change
teacher,
178 to
can I
a
say
decimal
please?
number? Where should I put 0.0? At the beginning?
No, at the end.
At the end. 0.0 at the end. Now move it backwards. So the answer will be?
Will be 1.780.
1.780 or 1.78. Both are the same. ما هيك؟
Yes.
0 at the end and the decimal part we can remove it. Bravo. So is it clear, teacher?
Yes.
هيدول هن كل الرولز. Divide by 10 or multiply by 10. Divide by a decimal number or multiply by a decimal number. That's it. Hassan, is it clear?
Teacher?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, teacher. Yes, علي سأسوق.
The answer of the last problem is 13, right?
أي problem?
The last problem.
Yes, 13. Yes, 13. In the worksheet.
Now which page should we open?
طيب. So, any more questions for the exam?
No.
Okay. Now, let's start doing problems.
In the
Yeah.
book, teacher?
Yes,
Yes.
page 204.
I opened.
204 problem 8. In any problem هتميز أنا between multiplication and division. بالmultiplication, if we are repeating the same number several times, we have to multiply. بالdivision إذا أنا عم وزع, we are dividing, we are splitting, distributing, we have to divide.
Can I go drink water, teacher?
The keywords, yes, drink water. The keywords that tell us we have to multiply, the keywords, let's write the keywords. That tell us when we have to multiply, when we have to divide. First keyword with multiplication, and if we are repeating the same number several times, ما هيك؟
Yes.
The second keyword, if we are finding the total number, we will find the total. We don't know how much is the total.
Yes.
We know, for example, in each box how much do we have. We will find in all boxes how much. Yani we will find the total. Okay?
We divide.
We multiply when we are finding the total. هلا بالdivision, if we are distributing, we are splitting, for example, and if the total now is given, we know the total. So الفرق بين المultiplication والdivision. بالmultiplication, I'm asking you to find the total. بالdivision, the total is given.
Yes.
Okay? For example, if we have 3 boxes, okay? We know in each one we have 12 chocolate bars, 12, 12. Find the number of chocolate bars in all. So what shall I do?
12 times 3.
12 times 3, exactly. Because I'm asking you to find the total. We don't know the total. We don't know the number of chocolate bars in all the boxes. We will find the total. So I'm asking you about the total. Plus, we are repeating 12, 12, 12 3 times. So we have to multiply. Okay? If I do the opposite way now, when I say, we know in the 3 boxes that we have 30 chocolate bars in all the boxes. So do we know the total number?
Yes.
No.
Yes, it's how much?
60. 90.
30 يا فرح, 30. ركزي شوي. 30 chocolate bars in all the boxes, not in each one يا فرح. 30 chocolate bars where?
In each.
In all يا فرح, in all, not in each. 30 chocolate bars where?
In all.
In all. So do we know the total?
Yes.
Yes.
So what shall I do? Divide or multiply?
Divide.
Divide. We will find how much in each box. We don't know how much in each one. Okay? So إذا أنا معي هيدا الفرق بين multiplication والdivision. بالmultiplication we know in each box how much. We will find the total in all. But in the division بالعكس, we know the total. We will find in each box how many chocolate bars. Clear?
Okay. Clear.
طيب علي غريب, which keywords tell us we have to multiply?
Multiply if we are repeating, or we have to know the total.
Excellent, bravo. دانا غريب, when we have to divide? دانا. طيب آدم عيديبة.
Yes, teacher.
When we have to divide يا آدم?
If you are
Distributing, yes.
yes,
And the total is?
If we know the total.
Bravo Adam, we know the total number. Excellent. So is it clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Let's start with problem 8. A gardener ordered 18 packets of white rose seeds for 45 euro and 15 packets of red rose seeds for 41.25 euro. What is the price of 3 packets of white rose seeds and 3 packets of red rose seeds? طيب عندنا 18 packets of white rose seeds وعندنا 15 packets of red rose seeds. طيب And we know the price, ال 45 euro هي the price of each white rose or all of them.
All of them.
لا here it has to be the
Times.
price of each.
Teacher, times.
Wait,
Times,
Mahdi
yes.
Hamza entered now.
Times, yeah, teacher, because you are repeating the number.
Okay, watch carefully the video, part 3 and further. And we will
مش في صوت teacher.
Yes, I will mute. طيب. Mahdi, open your math books. You entered now. Open your math book, page 204, يا Mahdi. Yeah. Adam Aidibe.
Yes.
What is the price of one white rose seed?
One بس دقيقة. Okay. Teacher, may I read it?
طيب, read it again. يلا, in a loud voice.
A gardener ordered 18 packets of white rose seeds, 4, 45, and 15 packets of red rose seeds. Okay. Teacher, we have to divide.
So, why we have to divide?
Teacher, to know how much one rose is.
طب, do we know how much one rose is or not?
No. So we times.
Adam, you did it correct. Here they said a gardener ordered 18 packets of white rose seeds for 45 pounds. طيب. Sorry, 45 euro. The 45 euro refers to what? To the price of 18 packets or just one?
For 18. So we
18.
divide. Yes, because we know the total.
We know the total. Bravo, Adam. So 45 euro هيدا هو the price للكال, not just one white rose. The price of all. وال 41.25 euro هي the price of all of 15 packets of red rose, not just one. Okay?
Yes.
So we know the total number, the total price. هيدا هو التوتال برايس للوايت روز وهيدا هو التوتال برايس for what?
For the red rose.
For the red rose. طب how we will find يا آدم the price of just one white rose?
Yes, we divide 45.
Divided by
45
how
by
many
18.
white rose? 18. Bravo. We have to divide them. Is it clear why we have to divide here in this problem?
Yes, teacher.
Why? Because we know the total price of all white roses and we know the total price of all red roses. Okay?
Okay.
طيب. 45 divided by 18. Let's divide them here, يا Adam.
Yes.
Where down I will divide them. Yeah. Let's write table 18. 0, 18,
0, 18, 36,
36,
54.
9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 54. Bravo. So let's stop. Which number very close to 45, ya Adam?
36.
36.
2
So
up
2
and
up.
36 down.
Type. Let's subtract 1, 1. How do we continue?
We put teacher,
we can.
We count from 6 to
can.
5.
Kif? Yes.
We have to borrow from 6 to 5.
Yes, bravo. We have to borrow. So
We
5
have to
is
borrow
less than
from
6.
4.
What shall I do? Borrow.
Borrow from 4. It will
15
be-
minus 6.
6, 11.
9. So we place the Adam now point what?
0.0.
Okay, 0, we have to bring it down. So let's continue the multiplication table. We need more. 54, then
72.
Then?
9.
Then 90.
Okay, so we stop. So which number give us 90?
5.
5. So what is the price of one white rose?
2.5 euros.
2.5 euros. Excellent. Thank you. So is it clear, the first equation?
Yes.
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 Okay. 2.5. So why we have to divide here?
Because we know the total.
We know the total price
Teacher,
of
to
all
know the
white
price of
seeds.
just one.
Just one. Bravo. So هيدا البرايس of one white rose. Okay. Now we will find, يا أحمد علاء الدين, the price of one red rose. Thank you, Adam. يلا يا أحمد. أحمد. طيب أريج بزون. بتول مالك.
أمير.
يلا يا أريج. We know that 41.25 euro is the price of all red roses. How we will find the number of just one red rose?
Minus.
What? What did I explain يا أريج؟ ما عم بتركزي كاني، ما عم بتركزي كاني يا أريج أبداً.
What if
Did you divide?
We divide. Why? Because we know the total
number
number.
Of
احنا
the
قلنا يا
rows.
أريج إنه in any problem when we know the total price of all. Here they said 15 packets of red rose seeds for 41.25 euro. هيدا هو التوتال برايس لكل الريد روزز. لما نكون دايما التوتال نمبر هو given. We will find the one red rose. What is the price of just one red rose? So we have to divide. Concentrate يا أريج while I'm explaining. So Bilal Shibli.
yes
How do we divide 41.25 by which number?
15
By 15. عنا 15 red roses. طيب let's divide them here يا بلال. يلا.
خليك من مكانك، ما انت قبل دقيقة كنت زلمة بس
مصطفى نجم,
جيتك
what are
من
you doing?
قدامك
مصطفى نجم. مصطفى.
ايش مصطفى
Mustafa, what are you doing? Very nice.
0 0 15 30 45 60
طيب stop يا بلال. Let's start. Which number very close to 41?
60
Which number very close to 41 يا بلال؟ يعني مصر انك تكفي التيبل.
30
30. So 2 up and 30 down. طيب it's 11. The point where should I put it يا بلال؟
up.
We bring down 2. 112. So we have to continue more. 75 then plus 15
90
plus 15
90
plus 15
115
105
104
then
120
طيب stop. Which number very close to 112?
90
100
100
105
105. 2 is less than 5, so we need 2.
4
12 minus 5.
7
Then we bring down 5. 75. Do we have 75? So 5 up. So what is the price of one red rose?
2.75.
2.75. Excellent, Bilal. Thank you. So 2.75. Is it clear, يا أريج? أريج?
Yes.
Is it clear, teacher? هيدا the price of one red
Yes.
rose. So when we have to divide, يا أريج, tell us which keyword, tell us we have to divide. Repeat. أريج.
If the answer is written and we need to know if the total is written and we need to know what is the price of one.
Bravo, Arish. Excellent. Bravo. So you got it. That's it. Okay. Now we found the price of one white rose and one red rose. ما هيك؟ طيب. Now جاد شبلي.
Yes.
جاد هلا. What is the price of 3 packets of white roses? So how many packets do we need now?
Divide.
يا جاد السؤال how many packets do we need now? I'm asking you to find the price of what?
The packet.
Of how many packets? يا جاد.
Yes.
Find the price of how many packets of white roses?
Yes.
How many packets?
6.
شو 6? 3. What is the price of 3 packets of white roses? طيب. بدنا نلاقي البرايس لل 3 packets and we know that what is the price of one packet of white rose?
You are distributing is
علي
divide.
غريب stop talking. Jad, what is the price of one white rose?
2.5.
So 2.5 here, ال1. 2.5, 2.5. What I'm doing now and what shall I do?
Times.
Times, bravo بالإجاد. Why we have to multiply?
Because we have 3 numbers.
We are repeating.
Yes, teacher, and we
So
don't
here,
have
opposite to the previous one, we will find the total price of 3 packets. We know that one packet costs 2.5 euro, 2.5 euro, 2.5 euro, يا علي. So we are not distributing. Here we know that each packet costs 2.5, 2.5, 2.5. We will find the price of 3 packets, the price of all.
Because we don't know the total number.
Of 3 packets, exactly. We will find their price. So we have to multiply 2.5 by 3. Okay? So this question show you the difference between multiplication and division. طيب. Jad, tell us, how do we arrange 2.5 times 3? We arrange them like this, or we arrange them like this. Which one is the correct way, the first or the second? Jad?
The second.
The second, we arrange without point. Excellent. طيب, let's multiply. 3 times 5.
15.
3 times 2.
3. 6.
And we carry 1.
7.
75. How many digits should I count to place the point?
1.
1. So what is the price of 3 packets of white roses?
7.1.
Bravo, 7.5. Excellent بإيجاد. Thank you. Bravo. So هيدا the price of 3 packets من ال white roses. طيب. هلا red roses كمان the same. 3 packets of red roses. أريج بزون.
Yes.
يلا هلا we need to find يا أريج the price of 3 packets of red roses, knowing that one red rose costs 2.75. 2.75. So what I'm doing here? how we will find the total price of 3 packets of red roses?
2.75 times 3.
Excellent. We are repeating. So 2.75 times 3. Bravo, Arij. طيب, let's arrange them. 2.75 times 3. We arrange with point or without point, يا Arij?
Teacher, the electricity went off.
Without point.
Bravo. Yeah. 3 times 5.
Teacher.
Teacher,
Yes. Yes, يا Arij. 3 times 5.
15.
Okay. 3 times 7.
Teacher, your voice is laggy.
No,
Three-
it isn't.
3 times 7. طيب, Jude, how do you will continue? 3 times 7.
Teacher,
Yes, Arij.
I'm hearing you now.
طيب, يلا. 3 times 7. Continue.
3 times 7, 21.
Plus 1, 22. 3 times 2.
3 times 2 equal 6.
And we carry 2.
Carry 2, then it's 8.
How many digits should I count to place the point?
We put 8. We put 8.25.
Bravo. So we count 2 digits. Bravo. So this is the price of 3 red roses. Okay. Thank you, Arish. Price of 3 red roses. Done. The answer.
Answer.
I will write it. I will write it. So the price. So the price
Of 3 red roses is 8.25.
والwhite roses كمان. The price of 3 white roses is 7.5 euro. And the price of 3 red roses is 8.25 euros. Is it clear, this problem?
Yes.
So بهيدي البروبلم عم بفرجونا difference between multiplication and division. When will I make divide? When we have to multiply.
Teacher, may I ask you something?
Yes, Adam.
Teacher, when we do times, where we put the point? إنه مثلا 3.55. If we have to, no, 2 digits before the point, after the point, before the point, yes?
بعدها يعني 2.75 times 3 عندنا 2 digits ما هيك بعد البوينت.
Yes.
So we start from the right side. دايما نبلش من اليمين من الآخر. We count 1 2 then we place the point.
Okay.
Teacher,
also the divide.
لا بالديفايد نحن بنعمل لها arrange مثل ما اشتغلناها مع الديسيمال نمبر مع البوينت صح؟
Okay. Yes.
Teacher.
Yes,
بس
yeah,
بس يكون تايمز ما بنحطلهاش البوينت.
Exactly. Just in
I
multiplication. Yes, Mustafa, I know. Just in multiplication